So here we got me another brand new ATK engine. This happens to be a 4.7 liter going in a Dodge Ram 2002. Yep, sitting here in my living room. Got a couch here, tables, dartboards, knife throwing boards. America. There's the Texas flag right there. That star's the Texas one. See? Watch. Texas flag. Here we go. Yeah. That looks about right. That there, Texas flag. Yeah. Other than that, got us a pretty looking engine here. It's all new. Debating on changing the color. What y'all think about changing the color? Is black a good color? I don't know, I might paint the heads. May leave the block black, paint the heads red. Well, that looks a little should be more flat, but whatever.
Huh?
This is the guy that's probably going to be helping me put it in if he can hang out.
Maybe.
I don't know. Maybe.
Maybe.
Heidi? You good girl? You gonna help us put this engine in? We need your help. Squirrel? Squirrel? Squirrel! What is it? You can't get out, huh? Alright, go get him. Go get him. Squirrel. Go get that squirrel. Or the armadillo.
Throw some more shit down in there.